Hi, this is Swati with Cricut. Today I am going to show you how to cut felt perfectly with your Cricut Maker 3 and rotary blade. These are great for kids crafts, nursery decor and many more. So let's make. Today we'll be using Cricut Maker 3, a rotary blade, Cricut felt, a brayer tool, and we generally use a pink colored fabric mat, but today I'll be using the green mat for this demo and the Cricut Design Space. Head into Cricut Design Space and search for animal silhouettes or upload your own design. I'm using a dolphin silhouette today, resized to around 4 to 6 inches, great for handheld toys or wall art. Place your sheet on the fabric grip mat and use a brayer to secure it. For Cricut Maker, select felt, wool blend or Cricut felt. Use the rotary blade. Once the cut is complete, gently lift the felt animals off the mat. If you've enjoyed this felt craft tutorial, press like and subscribe to our channel for many more fun projects using Cricut Maker 3 and other Cricut machines.